German soldiers expected American troops to be slow, inexperienced, easy to outshoot. Then the fighting started. And they heard something unexpected. Not one shot, not two, but a steady stream of fire. That sound changed how German soldiers fought America. German infantry doctrine was built on precision. Careful aim, one shot at a time. Their rifle reflected that thinking. The KAR-98K. Powerful, accurate, but slow. German soldiers assumed Americans used similar weapons and similar tactics. They were wrong. The M1 Garand was semi-automatic. 8 rounds, 1 trigger pull per shot. No bolt after every round, no pause between shots. This meant something critical. American soldiers could fire faster while moving forward. That shocked German units during first contact. German training emphasized accuracy. American training emphasized suppression. You don't need to hit every enemy, you need to keep them down. The M1 Garand did exactly that. German soldiers found themselves pinned, unable to move, unable to aim. Fire superiority took control of the battlefield. German letters and diaries changed tone. They wrote about constant American fire, endless shooting, impossible pressure. The rifle didn't fire endlessly, but under stress, it felt endless. Psychology matters in combat. And the Garand attacked the mind first. You may have heard the story that Germans waited for the ping sound. In reality, combat was too loud. Artillery, machine guns, explosions. Most soldiers never heard it. What they did hear was sustained American fire. That mattered far more. The Garand wasn't perfect. The clip system was old-fashioned. Reloads took time. But battlefield dominance isn't about perfection. It's about momentum. And the M1 Garand gave American units momentum. By 1944, German soldiers no longer mocked American rifles. They respected them, and many feared them. The M1 Garand didn't just fire bullets. It fired pressure, confidence, control, and in war, control decides everything.